Hi guys, we received these fire escape wall shelves for reviewing purposes, and I think they're really nice. It's a 3-tier wall shelves, and well, as you can see, it has this kind of these like fire escapes in each one of it, and I think it's a really nice feature. As you can see, you can place some plants. I place this candle warmer, some Lego minifigures, some attachments, and even I have it so I can place my AC controller in here. They are really easy to install. You have in the instructions every step, and they've come with everything you need to install it, all the screws, and well, these wall spacers, so you can place them on drywall like this. Okay, I think they are really nice, really easy to install. You don't have to take that much long, and they look really nice. It's perfect to decorate your home, your living room, or your bedroom, your bathroom even, where you want to place them. I think they're gonna work really well, and I would really recommend them. See you guys.